Ratchet Tuesday. It's Ratchet Tuesday 101.
You gonna record this shit after I order food.
Right. Should have done it during.
Exactly, because that was funny.
That was funny as shit. Let's order food in the cab. When, I forgot where we at again.
Ratchet Tuesday.
Ratchet Tuesday, ordering Wendy's in the cab. On the way back from DC to PG. It's one day at a time bullshit. We didn't ask him if he wanted some. Maybe he wanted some.
We would have asked.
Did I ask? Would you like some? Do you want anything, sir?
No, I'm done, thank you.
Okay.
It's
Didn't
not
know,
allowed
maybe.
to smoke.
What's that?
It's not allowed to smoke.
It's not allowed to smoke? Okay, it's my medicine. I just finished it.
Sure?
Yeah. With my friend, it's okay.
It's by law, it's not allowed.
Oh, it's not allowed? Okay.
Oh,
I didn't know because it's not cigarettes. By law, I thought they legalized it. I thought it's legalized.
But smoking in public transport.
oh.
Oh.
All together.
All together? Alright.
Even I pay, you penalize, I pay.
No more. No more.
Is weed?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay, I'll throw it out. Fuck it.
We got both.
We got more weed at the room. It's all good. I didn't know. I wouldn't be nice to offer you some because I didn't know if you wanted to smoke some.
Me?
Yeah. You're my friend. Maybe you like, if you like.
I never smoke and I don't.
You never try smoke?
No.
No. It's all good. No, it's okay.
I like to smoke.
I like to smoke. It's not for everybody.
Oh, okay. You want me to try?
Yeah, if you like to try. But I threw it out the window. That's all we had, huh?
I know. He should have said he wanted to try.
He should have said he wanted to try. You could try if you like.
If you like.
We didn't know because if you like, you could try. It's legal in DC. It's not against.
I know.
Yeah.
It's legal. Smoking is illegal. I mean legal, but smoking in a car is not legal.
We didn't know that.
Yeah, it's supposed to be. You didn't.
I don't know
I
that.
thought that was cigarettes.
Oh, shit, cigarettes. Yeah, it didn't tell me no smoking weed.
It doesn't say cigarette. It's just.
How does she?
Yeah. Hold on, she can pay them.
I sure did.
Don't let her.
Because it is public.
Uh-huh.
So
I don't know that because my friend told me it's okay. No, Clinton is close by Greenbelt. My friend told me it's okay.
I'd be able to. You have to give me a call back in like maybe an hour.
They told me anywhere in DC is okay.
Can you give me a call back in like maybe an hour?
So I know we in DC. I thought it's okay.
this is okay.
Yeah.
You can't come to
In
me.
a
I'm gonna be in
like in a
Greenbelt.
bus, a car.
I didn't know that. Nope.
Okay. If you give me like maybe an hour, I might be able to do that.
You can smoke in limo, but
What's your name?
They didn't tell me about that. I thought I could smoke weed anywhere in DC and it was legal.
Okay, give me like an